Welcome to the AI for Us 2 channel, your source for the latest AI-generated news on XRP, crypto, and precious metals. Our 100% AI-generated content is based on real-time events and uploaded 1 to 4 times a day. Stay ahead of the curve and subscribe to our channel to experience the cutting edge of news reporting. Check out our recently uploaded videos to stay fully informed. Xrp New News Update. On April 15, 2023, the cryptocurrency market saw an uptrend with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP all experiencing price movements. As the market continues to evolve, it's crucial to keep track of the latest trends and developments. Bitcoin's price bounced from the support level of $19,700 and increased by over 50% in just 1 month. Currently, Bitcoin is facing a short-term resistance at $31,000, and we predict that prices will retrace lower and enter the $28,000 to $29,000 price zone. However, we anticipate that prices will eventually rise and breach the 31K resistance. Ethereum's chart looks very similar to Bitcoin's, as Bitcoin's dominance in the crypto market rose to 46%, influencing other altcoins like Ethereum. After reaching a high price of $2,115, Ethereum is likely to consolidate or retrace lower. We expect a similar price action as Bitcoin's, where ETH will adjust to around $1,950 before continuing higher. XRP's price began to rise after consolidating on the support level of 36 cents. After an extended consolidation period, XRP prices shot up by over 60% within 2 weeks. XRP established a new support level at 50 cents and is on a new uptrend. From its current price of 52.74 cents, XRP is expected to reach the psychological price of 60 cents, an increase of 14%. Xrp New News Update. In this update I will be looking at the biggest movers in the market, with Cardano, ADA, and XRP in focus. Cardano continued its bullish run, rising for the 8th straight session and hitting a 7-month high. Today's gains sent the token soaring to an intraday peak of 44.41 cents, up from a low of 41.15 cents on Thursday. This surge in price came after a breakout of a key resistance level of 42.30 cents and a relative strength index, RSI, that moved beyond its own ceiling at 65.00, currently tracking at 71.06. However, an upcoming ceiling at 72.00 awaits ADA bulls, and failure to move past this point may result in earlier gains fading. Moving on to XRP, the token formerly known as Ripple, which also saw a notable gain. XRP rose to a high of 54.38 cents earlier in the day, following a low of 50.92 cents on Thursday. As a result of today's move in price, XRP reached its highest level since March 29, hitting an 11-month high of 58.48 cents. One catalyst for this move may be the 14-day RSI bouncing from a floor at 57.00, with price strength tracking at 62.97, which is marginally below a point of resistance at the 63.00 mark. At the time of this recording, XRP is trading at 52.74 cents, slightly lower than its earlier peak. Nonetheless, both Cardano and XRP's recent gains demonstrate the ongoing bullish sentiment in the crypto market. Xrp New News Update. Coinbase has completed the Flare, FLR, token airdrop distribution, with over 601 million FLR tokens being distributed to eligible users based on their XRP balance in Coinbase accounts on December 12, 2020. The distribution ratio was 1.0073 FLR per 1 XRP by 0.15, which means the current Flare airdrop amount was derived by equating 1.0073 FLR to 1 XRP held and multiplying this by 15%. Neil Hartner, a senior staff software engineer at Ripple, has deduced from this calculation that over 4 billion XRP was held on the Coinbase platforms at the time of the snapshot. However, Coinbase suspended XRP trading on its platform in January 2021 after the SEC lawsuit was filed against Ripple. XRP trading remains suspended on Coinbase until regulatory clarity is obtained. BitBoy, a popular YouTuber, has recently predicted that XRP would be the winning choice in the upcoming market bull run. Xrp New News Update. The co-founder of Dogecoin, Billy Marcus, recently took to Twitter to share the actual connection of Dogecoin to Bitcoin. He shared a photo of a book cover called Dogecoin, Bitcoin's Poor Cousin, and wrote that, in fact, Bitcoin is Cousin Greg, referring to the character Greg Hirsch from the HBO series Succession. This analogy caught the attention of Marcus, as Dogecoin was a parody on Bitcoin and uses the same consensus protocol as BTC, proof of work. Dogecoin has recently gained attention from Elon Musk, who put Doge on the logo of Twitter for a few days, causing the coin to rise 33% within hours. Marcus and Palmer created Doge as a hobby, and Marcus has since sold the majority of his Doge and does not plan to get involved in any cryptocurrency project in the future. Xrp New News Update. Governments around the world, from China to Canada, are considering the introduction of central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. While proponents argue that CBDCs could increase financial inclusion and improve payment efficiency, others caution that they could also lead to government control and potential abuse of power. Florida Governor Ron DeSantis has proposed a ban on CBDC use in his state, citing concerns about total monetary control by the federal government. The White House, on the other hand, has argued in favor of CBDCs as a means of advancing human rights, democratic values, and privacy. However, critics argue that the immense power that CBDCs could grant governments is a cause for concern. A CBDC system would centralize absolute control over individuals' ability to engage in commerce, giving the government access to detailed information about every transaction. This could potentially be used to restrict an individual's ability to engage in commerce or even delete the assets of disfavored groups or individuals. The risk of government abuse of power in a completely centralized monetary system is high. Advocates of alternatives such as decentralized finance, DeFi, protocols and postal banks argue that similar benefits could be achieved with fewer risks. These alternatives would avoid the creation of a system that, if misused, could undermine individual rights in a way few technologies ever could. Examples such as the Chinese government's suspension of WeChat accounts and the Canadian government's freezing of bank accounts demonstrate the potential for abuse even in current decentralized financial systems. A CBDC could offer even greater efficiency and ease of abuse. While the benefits of CBDCs are worth considering, the potential for abuse must also be taken into account. The decision of whether to issue a CBDC should be made with extreme caution, with a thorough consideration of both the potential risks and benefits. Xrp New News Update. Former NBA star and DJ, Shaquille O'Neal, has managed to evade attempts to serve him in a class action lawsuit against the now bankrupt cryptocurrency exchange, FTX. The lawsuit alleges that O'Neal, alongside a dozen other celebrities and sports teams, promoted a fraudulent scheme. Lawyers have attempted to serve him over 20 times at various offices and homes, but have been unsuccessful in delivering the lawsuit. Despite being a public figure, O'Neal has managed to avoid process servers, leading lawyers to request permission to serve him via Instagram, Twitter, or email, which was denied by the judge. Crypto class action lawsuits have become increasingly common in recent months, as major digital asset firms file for bankruptcy protection. Xrp New News Update. In this update I will be discussing FedNow, a new payment system developed by the Federal Reserve in the United States. FedNow is a real-time payment system that allows individuals and businesses to make immediate payments to one another. It was developed to provide an alternative to traditional payment methods, such as checks and automated clearinghouse (ARC) transactions, which can take days to process. One of the key advantages of FedNow is its speed. With FedNow, payments can be made in real time, meaning that the money is transferred almost instantly. This makes it ideal for urgent or time-sensitive payments, such as paying bills or making emergency payments. Another advantage of FedNow is its availability. It will be available 24/7, 365 days a year, meaning that users can make payments at any time, including weekends and holidays. This is a significant improvement over traditional payment methods, which often have limited availability. In addition, FedNow is expected to be more secure than traditional payment methods. The system uses state-of-the-art security measures to protect user data and prevent fraud. This will give users peace of mind knowing that their financial information is safe. However, there are also some potential disadvantages to consider. One of the main concerns is the cost of using FedNow. While the Federal Reserve has not yet announced the fees for using the system, it is likely that there will be some fees associated with using the service. This could be a disadvantage for individuals or businesses that make frequent or large payments. Another concern is the potential for technical issues. FedNow is a new system, and there may be some initial glitches or bugs that need to be worked out. This could cause delays or problems for users who rely on the system for time-sensitive payments. Despite these potential drawbacks, FedNow has the potential to revolutionize the way we make payments. Its speed, availability, and security make it an attractive option for individuals and businesses alike. Xrp New News Update. Now I am going to talk about Ripple, Xrp, and the FedNow system, two payment systems that have been making headlines in the financial world. I will be comparing them, discussing their advantages and how they may compete with each other. First, let's start with Ripple, Xrp. Ripple is a blockchain-based payment protocol that allows for secure, low-cost, and near-instant cross-border payments. Xrp is the digital currency that Ripple uses to facilitate these transactions. Ripple's payment system is designed to be more efficient than traditional payment systems, as it eliminates the need for intermediaries like banks to process transactions. Now, let's talk about the FedNow system. The FedNow system is a new real-time payment system being developed by the Federal Reserve. It will allow for near-instant payments between banks, businesses, and individuals, 24/7 365. It is designed to be a modern alternative to traditional payment systems, such as wire transfers, ARC transfers, and check payments. So, how do Ripple, Xrp, and the FedNow system compare? Well, both systems are designed to offer near-instant payments, and both aim to improve the efficiency and speed of cross-border payments. However, there are some key differences between the two. One of the main differences is that Ripple, Xrp, is a decentralized system, while the FedNow system is centralized. This means that Ripple, Xrp, is not controlled by any one entity, whereas the FedNow system is operated by the Federal Reserve. This may appeal to some users who value decentralization and the ability to conduct transactions without the need for intermediaries. Another key difference is that Ripple, Xrp, currently has a larger global network and has been adopted by more financial institutions compared to the FedNow system. Ripple, Xrp is already being used by major banks and financial institutions across the world, while the FedNow system is still being developed and has not yet been fully implemented. So, what are some advantages of using Ripple, Xrp over the FedNow system? Well, for one, Ripple, Xrp has lower transaction fees compared to traditional payment systems like wire transfers and ARC transfers. Additionally, Ripple, Xrp transactions are settled almost instantly, whereas traditional payment systems can take days to clear. Finally, Ripple, Xrp's decentralized nature allows for greater transparency and security, as there is no single entity that controls the network. On the other hand, the advantages of using the FedNow system include the fact that it is backed by the Federal Reserve, which is a trusted and reliable institution. Additionally, the FedNow system is expected to have a robust fraud prevention system, which will help to prevent fraudulent transactions and ensure the security of payments. In conclusion, Ripple, Xrp, and the FedNow system are two payment systems that offer near-instant payments and aim to improve the efficiency and speed of cross-border transactions. While Ripple, Xrp is a decentralized system that has already been adopted by many financial institutions, the FedNow system is a centralized system that is backed by the Federal Reserve and is still in the development stage. Both systems have their advantages and may appeal to different types of users, depending on their specific needs and preferences. Xrp New News Update. On your screen is today's summary of the technical indicators for Xrp. Based on 11 oscillator indicators and 15 moving averages indicators. Out of the 11 oscillator indicators, 2 recommends selling Xrp, 9 are neutral, and 0 indicate a buy signal for Xrp. Meanwhile, out of the 15 moving averages indicators, 0 recommends selling Xrp, 1 is neutral, and 14 recommend buying Xrp. Based on these indicators, the overall sentiment towards Xrp appears to be bullish, with 2 of the combined number of indicators recommending a sell, 10 of the combined indicators being neutral, and 14 of the combined number of indicators recommending it is time to buy Xrp. However, it is important to note that technical indicators are not always reliable and should be used in conjunction with other forms of analysis before making any investment decisions. Xrp New News Update. If you look at the screen of your device now, you will see a Bitfinex chart of the XRP USD trading pair on the TradingView charting platform. The featured chart uses historical daily price cycles to provide expected future price pivot dates for XRP USD. It is important to note that this chart should be used in conjunction with your preferred technical indicators to maximize accuracy. Buy and sell signals from your preferred technical indicators will most likely be triggered on or near the price pivot prediction dates. This chart is updated daily in our videos so that you can watch in real time the accuracy of the prediction method. However, It's important to exercise caution and consider the inherent risks and volatility of cryptocurrency trading before making any investment decisions. Here are the future price pivot prediction dates for the XRP USD trading pair. Be aware, this charting method does not predict price. Instead, it predicts price action. In addition, there is a one-candle window of error on either side of a specific price prediction date on the chart. This means, the actual pivot may come one candle before a specific prediction date or one candle after the prediction date. Now for the dates to look out for: Saturday, April 15, 2023, Sunday, April 16, 2023, and Saturday, April 22, 2023. This completes the Xrp New News Updates video. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video for more updates and insights into crypto and finance.